In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy hosting for WordPress Website Hostinger 2026 discount. First, open your browser and head to Hostinger's homepage. You'll land on a clean, simple site that highlights their current offers. The 2026 discount is typically showcased on the pricing area, and it's often applied automatically when you select a plan. If you prefer a specific currency or region, check the footer to confirm you're on the right version of the site so your prices and promotions display correctly. From the top, navigation, click on Websites. This takes you to the hosting options tailored for building and launching sites quickly, including WordPress. You'll see several plans with different resource levels. Take a moment to compare what you need. How many websites you plan to host, expected traffic, storage, backups, and performance features like SSD and caching. If WordPress is your focus, look for plans labeled or optimized for WordPress to get one-click installs and useful management tools. Once you've identified the right fit, select a plan. Pay attention to the billing period choices on the plan screen. Longer commitments usually unlock the largest discounts, which is where that 2026 offer often shines. You'll also see a clear breakdown of what's included. Sometimes free domain registration, SSL, and email are bundled. Review the total and any introductory versus renewal pricing so there are no surprises later. Click on Choose Plan to move forward. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, confirm that the plan and term match what you selected. If there's a field for a promo or coupon, the discount may already be applied. If not, it should update as you proceed based on the promotional period. Make sure the totals reflect the offer and the correct currency. Next, click on Choose Payment Method. You'll see available options for your region. For this walkthrough, proceed with card payment. Selecting card keeps the flow simple, and you'll be able to finalize the purchase in one go. Enter your card details carefully. Ensure the name on the card, number, expiration date, and security code are correct. Add accurate billing information so the payment processes smoothly, and verify any tax or VAT details displayed. Before paying, double-check the plan term, included features, and the final price with the 2026 discount applied. Finally, click Submit Payment. Hostinger will process your order and direct you to your hosting dashboard, where you can continue with WordPress setup whenever you're ready. That's it. You've successfully purchased hosting, set up with savings, and you're ready to bring your WordPress site online.